कुछ ऑफेंस रजिस्टर हुआ है उनके ऊपर?
एक अफ्रीका ऑफेंस रजिस्टर कर हैं।
तो कितने लोग हैं टोटल?
हाँ?
3 लोगों के ऊपर?
टोटल 4 लोग हैं।
ओके।
अफ्रीका ऑफेंस रजिस्टर।
ओके,
ठीक है।
यस, थैंक यू। तो किती झाले एक्चुअली मातशें एक्सप्लेन करता?
The police have registered an offence against 4 people, that is Aman, Shankar, Karan and Vinay. Now they have been basically air gun. The police claim allege that there is some air gun that is used and there is some knife that is used, and there have been threats which is exchanged. That is the only thing for which now all offences are actually punishable below 7 years. But as of now, the police are still, they have not registered the offence. They are registering the offence. So I will know the sections properly only after they register the offence. But as of what I have got the information from the police themselves, is all offences are punishable below 7 years. So I don't see a reason for arrest. But if they are arrested, then we shall move for bail accordingly.
Thank you.